Welcome to all my dear students. And once again, I am to welcome to our department, Computer Science and Computer Science and Engineering. And my name is Praveen Kumar Hasalkar, working as a assistant professor in Computer CS department. And I have to handle subject for your semester, analog and digital electronics. What is the difference between the analog and digital electronics? Or the analog simply we call said as an analog and digital. What do you want to see, or what do you want to hear the what is an analog and what is an digital? Analog is nothing but is the continuous travels the data from one to the another. Continuous storage or continuous we have to see that one signals which one you have to see in the sinusoidal waves. What about the digital? Digital is nothing but it is a discrete signals. Nothing but we have to store in the discrete manner. The data can be stored in the discrete manner. Nothing but in the form of the binary form. Okay, this is the best example of the digital is the binary forms which you have to see in your the electronic device is nothing but the laptops or your desktop computers and your smartphones. Okay, all these things which have to store the data in the digital forms. So that is called as an digital signals or the digital electronics. Okay, and the next one we have to see in the which one the basic gates. You have to see in the electronic and digital electronics, the analog and digital electronics. First one we have to heard this name, the basic gates. What is an basic gates? Why is called as an basic gates? Basic gates only a three type of the basic gates. That's it. Just you have to see in the this one, no, what I say in the screen, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Before we have to discuss about the basic gates, what are the prerequisites of that one? See, the electronic circuit and system can be divided into two broad categories. What are those? Just I have to say that one, analog and the digital electronics, or the analog and the digital. The analog circuit are designed to use with a small signals and are used in a linear fashion. Linear, nothing but the continuous. The digital circuit are the generally used with a large signal and are considered the non-linear. Nothing but it is the discrete. Any quantity that changes with time can be represented as an analog signal or it can be treated as a digital signal. The digital electronics involves a circuit that have exactly two possible states. What are those? The system having only a two states is said to be a binary. The binary number systems is widely used in the digital electronics. Just I have to say that in the decimal zero forms, in the binary we have to write the like the 0000. And in the one form, you have to in the four states or four bits, we have to write as the 0001. We have to consider as the leftmost to the rightmost form. And three, this one we have to write it as a 0011. In the four, in the 4-bit manner, we have to write it as the 0100. Like this one, we have to convert the decimal form in the which form? Binary form. Good. The operation of the electronic circuit can be described in the terms of the voltage level. The high level, that one is indicated as the capital H, and the low level and is indicated as the capital L. This could be related to the binary number which is assigned to the L, nothing but low is equal to 0 or is equal to false, and high, that is called H is equal to 1, that is what is on high, is equal to true. Okay, like this one we have to be indicated. And in the class I have to show the what is the symbolically represented as the OR gate, AND gate and the NAND gate. Okay, and today we have to only discuss about the theoretically systems is what is the what is an AND gate, what is an OR gate and what is the NOT gate. Good. First one, let us see the first one. Before we have to see the positive and sorry OR and NOT gate, we have to see that one, the positive and the negative logic. Okay, and what is that one, the positive logic and what is the positive logic and what is the negative logic? Okay, first one by one see the what is the AND gate, what is an OR gate and what is an NOT gate. AND gate is nothing but it is the two states which can be multiplied, the which is mathematically multiplication of the values. What is the result you have to got it, that is called as an AND gate logically. Okay, what about the OR gate? The OR gate, which one we have to be mathematically logically will be on the positive, nothing but adding of the two numbers, that is called as an OR gate. What is an NOT gate? NOT gate is the reciprocal, or we have to say as an what is the state is a true, the result is the output is false, and the output the input is false, the output is true. That one you have to see in the where in the NOT gate. And next we have to see that one, the positive logic and the negative logic. If we use a binary 0 for a low voltage and binary 1 for the high voltage, okay, there is a universally we have to call as an 0 is nothing but the low voltage or the low value, and the 1 is nothing but the high voltage or the high value, then it is called as an positive logic. Choosing the h is equal to 1 is equal to t and L is equal to 0 is equal to f is called as an positive logic. What is say that when h is equal to 1 or true is equal to 1 or L is equal to or false is equal to, of course is a 0, that is called as an positive logic. If we use a binary 0 is the high voltage and the binary 1 is the low voltage, then it is called as an the negative logic. It is a vice versa, so that is called as an negative logic. Choosing the h is equal to 0 is equal to f and L is equal to 1 is equal to t is called as an negative logic. And positive and negative gates, see this is just I have to discuss about the logic. And what about the gates? In positive logic system, binary 0 stand for the low and binary 1 for the high. Consider the following the table, one table is there, I have to discuss about that one. Note that y is equal to y is 1 if either a or b is equal to 1. This is OR gate and it is because we are using the positive logic. See, A, B and C, Y. Y is nothing but the output. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 in the OR gate, of course is a 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, the Y is nothing but the output is 1. And this one, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, the Y is 1. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. What is anything but any one of the input is high, always the output is high. At least one output is high input. At least one input is high, the output is always high. Where we have to see in the OR gate. What about this in any one input is low, any one the output is low, then it is always low in the AND gate. Okay. In the negative logic system, binary 1 stands for the low and binary 0 stand for the high. With this code, we can convert the ones a table of thirds table. Here, the output y is 1 only when the both a and b are 1. When this is AND gate, and it is because we are using a negative logic. Hence, the gates are defined by the way they process of binary zeros and ones. The similar way, we can find the following equivalent between the positive and negative logic. The positive R is equivalent to negative AND. The positive AND is equivalent to negative R. The positive NOR is equivalent to negative NAND. The positive NAND is equivalent to negative NOR. Okay. I have to told that one. What are those? Okay. First, you have to see the assertion level logic. What is an assertion level logic? Many designers draw logic circuit with a bubbles on all pins with a active low signal, or omit a bubble on all pins with the active high signal. This use of bubble with active low signal is called as assertion level logic. It means that you draw a chip with a kind of input that cause something to happen, or with the kind of the output that indicates something has happened. If a low input turns on a chip, you show the bubble on that input. If the low output is a sign of chip action, you draw a bubble on the output. You can equate a word assert with active or activate. Okay, for example, the 74101 is a multiplexer. This is a 7410, sorry, 1150 is a IC number, nothing but integrated circuit chip number. Multiplexer has an active low input strobes. This input turns on the chip only when it is low. This is an active low signal with cause something to happen when it is low rather than the high. And what is an HDL? Hardware Description Language. The texture describes the digital circuit, the language which can be more crisp and machine readable. The advantages: they describe a large complex design requiring the hundreds of logic gates in the convenient manner in a small space. To use a software test bench to detect a functional error. If any and correct, it is called as simulation. To get the hardware implementation details, there is a two widely used HDLs, Verilog and very high speed integrated circuit hardware description language. Sorry, what VHDL. Verilog is considered a simple of two and more popular. And I have to show on the coding. That one is I have to see in the Verilogs of the Verilog of all the gates, combinations of the gates. Okay, before we have to start about the combinations of the gates. Okay, just we have to go through the some rules. Which one you have to see, that one you have to see in the textbooks. Okay, what are the rules, or what are the rules of that one? Which one you have to see the, or you have to see the in the textbooks. Okay, and that one is called as universal of the NOR gate, and universal of the NAND gate. Okay, before we have to see that one, we have to see the De Morgan's the first theorem. The complement of a sum equals of the product of the complement. The complement of sum equals the product of the complements. Nothing but a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Nothing but a bar product b bar. Okay, that one you have to see the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, duality theorem. Starting with Boolean relation, you can derive the another Boolean relations by changing of each or sign to the and sign and changing of each and sign to an or sign. The complementing any 0 or 1 appearing in an expression. For example, a plus 0 is equal to a. The dual is a dot 1 is equal to a. Consider second one, a of b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. By changing or and operation, we get the dual relation is equal to a plus of ab into c is equal to a plus b into a plus c. This is called as an duality of theory. Okay, okay, friend. Okay, students. Today I have to stop in this section only. Tomorrow we have to discuss about the next the universal gates, and in the universal gate what are those and how to combine. Second one is the combinations of the gates. Okay, these are things we have to discuss in the tomorrow's class. Okay, any doubt in this one? Please have to message me and I have to clarify you. Okay, okay, bye.